all, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a delicious fried rice, Gobi Manchurian rice, popularly known as Gobi fried rice. It's normal fried rice to which Gobi fritters are added. So let's see the recipe. Clean a medium-sized cauliflower and cut it into florets. Add salt and hot water. Let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Then drain the water. To the florets add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, 2 to 3 teaspoons red chilli powder, 2 teaspoons Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 2 tablespoons maida and 2 tablespoons corn flour. Sprinkle some water and mix everything well. Keep it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, deep fry the florets. Fry them till they turn golden brown. Remove the fritters from oil and keep it aside. Now we have to stir fry the vegetables. Heat 2 tablespoons sesame oil in a heavy bottomed pan. Add finely chopped garlic, green chilies and spring onion whites. Saute for 2 minutes. Then add finely chopped carrots, capsicum and spring onion greens. Stir fry the vegetables on medium-high flame. The vegetables should not be overcooked. They should remain crunchy. Add salt, 2 teaspoons soy sauce, 3 tablespoons tomato red chilli sauce and 1 teaspoon vinegar. Mix everything well. Then add cooked basmati rice. Mix gently. Add 1 teaspoon pepper powder and the gobi fritters. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes and lastly add finely chopped spring onion greens. Serve the fried rice hot and enjoy. If you liked my video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.